Read.
2 Timothy chapter 2 verse 20. But in a great house,
In a great house,
there are not only vessels of gold and silver,
there are not only vessels of gold and
Akuhlali
silver.
kuphela izitsha
Meaning
zegolide
there's
nesiliva.
different materials.
Okusho ukuthi kunezinto ezehlukile.
There's different materials. Let's go.
but in a great house, there are not only vessels of gold and silver, but also utensils of wood
Utensils of wood.
Ezakhiwo zobumba.
Uh-huh.
and earthenware,
And earthenware. Uh-huh.
and some for honorable, and
Some for honorable.
Ezinye
Some for
zabahloniphekileyo.
honorable.
Ezinye
But they are all
zabahloniphekileyo.
in one house.
Kodwa zonke isendlini eyodwa.
But they are not going to receive the same honor.
Kodwa ngeke zamukele lokuhlonipheka okufanayo.
Hey, we are all Christians,
Sonke
but we will never be
singabazalwane.
honored the same.
Kodwa siyuhlonipha ngendlela efanayo.
Khona bayongena ezulwini bangabi nomqhele. Khona bayongena bafake imiqhele. Do you know that? Oh, okay. Waqhamuka usegcoka imiqhele sonke. Angisikount in senyasho nje. Not the same honor.
Ngeke uthole inhlonipho
But sonke
efanayo.
siyini? Sibazalwane, we are all the image.
Sonke siyimfanekiso.
But we are not going to be rewarded according to
Kodwa
the image,
siyihlomuliswa
but
ngendlela
according to the
efanayo.
material.
Kodwa ngokwalendlela esakhiwe ngayo.
According to the material.
Ngokwaloko esakhiwe.
You're not going to be honored based on the image.
Awuhlonishwa nje ngokomfanekiso.
I love Jesus Christ. You're not going to be honored based on the image.
Angeke
You're
uhlonishwe
going to be honored
ngokomfanekiso.
on how God has made
Kodwa
you.
uyohlonishwa ngendlela
And you are
okwakhe
able
ngayo.
to successfully make it
Futhi wakwazi futhi ukuphumelela.
through that material.
Ngaleyo nto wakhe ngayo.
We are not going to be honored because we are all the image.
Asiyuhlonishwa ngoba sonke
It's not the same.
siyimfanekiso. Cha, akufani.
I know it's offensive what I'm saying now. Njani ngoba sonke sibazalwane asiyo honora ngokufana.
Jesus.
Yiwo uyaqula uthi uyobonga ngamaqhawe aphiwe. Mele uzicheck ukuthi uyiqhawe na ulwe kuphi? Qhawe leyalwa.
Hey!
Let's go.
but in a great
Iqhawe libuya empini.
Ay!
Iqhawe libuya empini livika amabullet ladutshulwa lalimala labuya labuyela. We are all Christians,
Sonke singabazalwane.
but not the same honor.
Kodwa siyuthola inhlonipho efanayo.
Let's go. You'll get it.
But in a great house, there are not only vessels of gold and silver, but also utensils of wood and earthenware, and some for honorable and noble use.
Some for honorable and noble use.
Ezinye ezabahloniphekileyo nokwenziwa ukuthi isetshenziswe ngendlela ephakeme.
And some for honorable and noble use, and some for menial and ignoble use.
uNkulunkulu akasithandi.
Uyasithanda.
But with abanye it's for common use.
Abanye bayosetshenziswa nje
With NLT it
ngokujwayelekile.
says for common use. It doesn't mean when you are common or
Akusho ukuthi
commonly
uma umuntu
used you are
nje
useless.
noma
No, that's
usetshenziswa
how
ngendlela-
God has designed you.
Yindlela akwenze ngayo
You
uNkulunkulu.
must function in your common use.
Sebenza ngalendlela yakhe ejwayelekile.
Function in that. That's how God has made you.
Sebenza ngaleyo ndlela
Don't
wenze
desire
njalo.
to be highly honored.
Ungafuni ukuthi ubongwe
Yet the
ngendlela
material
ephakeme.
in you
Kanti indlela owakhiwe
cannot go
ngayo
through fire.
angeke idlule emlilweni.
You are going to perish
Uzophupha.
and end up questioning God.
Bese kuphela ngokuthi ubuze
Ukuthi
uNkulunkulu.
uJobe yena undlule njani? Why mina ngandluli? You are not Job.
Cha wena usiyena uJobe.
You are not Job.
Wena uyena
Job carried a different
uJobe
material.
uphethe into eyakhiwe.
No, he was a child of God.
Naku
But
wayengumntwana
he's not the
kaNkulunkulu.
same as his brothers or
Kodwa
friends.
kufani nabangani bakhe
And all of
nabafowabo.
them, they were serving one God.
bonke ke babekhonza
But not
uNkulunkulu
the same.
kodwa hayi ngendlela efanayo bengafani nayo
They were not the same.
babengafani
That's why his friends ended up sinning against God.
ingaka abangani bakhe bagcine bona
Because they wanted to speak against the material that they don't
ngoba
care.
bebafuna ukukhuluma kabi ngalo makhiwa abanganendaba nawo
Abangawuthola.
abangawuthola
True. Elinye idemon loku-interpreta lamalanga. Repeat. Abangawuthola. Let's go.
But in a great house,
In a great house,
there are not only vessels of gold and silver,
there are not only vessels of gold and
akukho kuphela izitsha zegolide nesiliva
Meaning, Paul was trying to make Timothy aware
nokusho ukuthi uPaul bekafuna
that
ukwenza
Timothy,
uTimothy
we are all
anake.
serving God,
ukuthi Timothy sonke
but we are
sikhonza
not
uNkulunkulu.
of the same material.
Kodwa sakhiwanga ngendlela efanayo.
Meaning, even if unormal,
Usho ukuthi noma ujwayelekile
don't condemn yourself.
ungazilahli.
It's good. That's why Apostle Paul says it's good to desire spiritual gifts. It's good to desire
Uyangazeleli.
higher gifts. But you must first go through preparation
Kodwa kumele udlule kulungiselelweni
to achieve such.
ukuthi uthole
You must
lokho.
first excel in being common.
Kumele wenze kakhulu
In order to be
ngalokho
uncommon.
ukuze ube umuntu ongajwayelekile.
It's promotion.
Ukukhula
Excel in the
lokho.
little that you have.
Yenza kakhulu kuloko nako okuncane.
To him who is faithful to the little,
Kuloyo othembeke kokuncane
much will be given.
Uzonikezwa
Meaning you are not
okukhulu.
stopped or maybe prevented from
Okusho ukuthi
becoming.
awunqatshelwe noma uvinjelwe ukuthi ube
uNkulunkulu kunika lencane athi asiqale la. Ungayilungisa le. Wayilungisa athi okay. I pour more oil.
athi sengithela amafutha amaningi ke manje.
But kuloko okuncane uyahluleka. You are failing in the little
Wehluleka kuloko okuncane.
and we are desiring the higher level.
Udulangazelela isigaba esiphezulu.
Istress esincane semali sesidisturbing. But every day, God use me, anoint me, make me powerful. Hey, when oh man. Oh man. Oh man, uzolimala. Kuyashisa lapha. Kuyashisa lapha.
Jesus.
Kuyashisa lapha. Bamba lokho okuncane unako. Lungisisa lokho. Lungisisa lokho okuncane unako. Don't cry and think, hayi maybe uNkulunkulu la kasebenzisa umuntu so wena akakuthanda. Ukunikile lokho okuncane. Uyileso sitsha leso. Serve correctly ngalesitsha leso.
Ay.
Sonke isitsha ipurpose yayo is to serve. Whether it's wood,
Noma
gold,
ukhulu,
silver or
igolide
clay.
noma isiliva noma ubumba.
Umsebenzi we-1 to serve.
Zonke zenzile ukuba nje ziphakele.
Now, don't desire the material of the gold
Ungalangazeleli ke ukwakheka
while you are
kwegolide.
failing in serving.
Kodwa uyahluleka wena ekukhonseni.
Meaning you must excel in serving
Okusho ukuthi kumele wenze
so that
kakhulu
your
lapha
material
ekukhonseni.
can end up changing
Ukuze kwakhiwa kwakho kumele kuze
and you
kujike.
become gold. You become
Uguquke
silver
ube igolide
that
noma isiliva.
carries the same serving
Eliphethe lokho kukhonza
with quality.
Okunongqo.
Since nino labakunceda uku-interpret. Let's go.
But in a great house, there are not only vessels of gold and silver, but also
Also,
utensils of wood and earthenware, and some for honorable
some for honorable
and noble use,
president, but poor material. Continue. Honorable speaker, but poor tongue, a liar. Meaning the material that is in the person, it can't be honored.
Okusho ukuthi indlela akhiwe ngayo lo muntu angeke ihlonipheke.
Honorable speaker, but the moment he speaks, what he speaks,
Ukhuluma esihloniphekile.
it's lies.
Ukhuluma amanga.
Meaning the
kodwa
tongue
esihloniphekile.
is not the correct material to be honored.
Okusho ukuthi ulimi akusiyona into efanele ukuba ingahlonishwa.
If they say honorable, or
Mabethi
if they
uhloniphekile.
honor you,
Noma bema bekuhlonipha.
it's not only based on how you are serving,
Akusikuphela nje ngale ndlela
it's
osebenza
also
ngayo.
based on how the material has been tested.
Kungari kokuthi futhi uvivinywe kanjani
How have you been tested?
Uvivinywe njani?
What have you went through
Yini odlule
and you
kuyo?
made it?
Wasuyaphumelela futhi.
Inzima le? People basifaka enkingeni. Hey, Nkosi ngi-anointe, ngifuna ukuba powerful. Hey wena. Usahlulwa lokho okuncane. Awuthembeki in the little. Uphizi. You ask God. God is not a fool.
uNkulunkulu akasisona isilima.
He will never anoint a vessel
Angeke agcobe isitsha
that cannot carry the quality of oil.
esingeke saphatha amafutha uwona wona.
Angathatha i-canola oil ayothela phakathi kwe-olive oil bottle.
Angeke.
Ibottle le-canola oil nele-olive oil awafani. Wabamba wenze sowuzozo. It's not the same material. It shows that what is inside the bottle is not the
Yakhomba
same.
ukuthi
The
okuphakathi
quality
kwaleli
is
bhodlela
different.
akufani. Lokho okuphakathi kwehlukile.